Hi. If you use Beforepay or are thinking about it, a common question pops up. What's the deal with repayment? Specifically, can I repay early or in installments? Let's get right into the nuts and bolts of how Beforepay handles your repayment schedule. It's pretty straightforward once you know the rules. First, the core principle: when you get a cash out from Beforepay, the entire amount, plus the fixed 5% transaction fee, is scheduled to be repaid on a specific day. That day is determined by your next predicted pay date. Beforepay uses its understanding of your bank transactions to lock in this date, ensuring the money is debited when your paycheck lands. This scheduled, single lump sum repayment on your designated pay date is the default and standard method. It's designed to be seamless and automatic. Now, let's tackle the early question. Can you pay it back before the scheduled automatic deduction? The answer is generally yes, you can. If you want to clear your balance sooner, you have the option to manually make the full repayment in the app. This is a great feature if, say, you get an unexpected payment a few days before your actual payday and want to wipe the slate clean immediately. You just need to go into the app, find the relevant cash out, and select the option to repay early. Just remember, whether you repay early or on the scheduled date, the 5% transaction fee remains the same. It's a fixed cost for the service. Next, and this is crucial, the installments question. Can you split your repayment into smaller, multiple installments? With Beforepay, the answer is typically no. As we established, it is set up for a single, full automatic deduction on your scheduled payday. They do not offer a service where you can manually split the owed amount over several weeks or smaller payments. The structure is an all-in-one repayment. However, if the scheduled automatic deduction fails, maybe your pay arrived later than expected, Beforepay's system will then attempt to deduct smaller amounts over the following days to recover the outstanding balance. But this is their recovery mechanism for a failed payment, not a standard, planned repayment option for users. So, to quickly recap, scheduled repayment is one lump sum on your predicted pay date. Repaying early is allowed via a manual payment in the app. Repaying in installments is not a standard option, as the service is built around a single full deduction. Understanding this clear, single payment structure is key to using Beforepay responsibly. Always ensure the full amount will be available on that deduction day, or plan to pay it manually beforehand if you want to clear it early. If you found this explanation helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of financial apps. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about Beforepay. Thanks for watching.